An excavator was struggling to free itself from a mud pit, with the driver revving the engine so hard it started smoking. But it was clearly getting nowhere because this swamp was just too much to handle. The driver didn't want to give up and tried over and over, only to be hit with a reality check every single time. Just then, another excavator rushed to the scene, hired by the contractor who paid out of his own pocket for the rescue. The situation was dire since the machine could be completely swallowed by the sludge at any moment as time ticked away. Instead of just brute forcing the pull, the rescue team cleared the silt from the ditch and dumped dry soil nearby to simplify the messy terrain and prepare for the next steps. Meanwhile, a water pump worked simultaneously to lower the danger level for the trapped machine. Once the surrounding mud was mostly cleared, the real rescue began. The trapped excavator pushed off the mud with its bucket while the rescue machine hooked onto its tracks and pulled hard. You could clearly see the tracks warping under the intense tension, but there was no time to worry about that now. The trapped machine kept pushing while the rescuer backed up to create enough operating space. Finally, after 6 hours of relentless effort, the excavator made its escape at the cost of a ruined track, but luckily, no other major damage occurred. So, what do you guys think of this rescue operation?